Hello, right now I'm gonna show you all the best camera features of Xiaomi Poco X7. So let's get started. Let's go into the more options right here. And as you can see, we can take 50 megapixels pictures with the high quality. We have the slow motion. We also have the dual video, which basically, as you enable it, we have the two-sided videos from two different cameras, from the front camera and from the back camera actually, so that is nice. We also, let's go into more again. We also have long exposure. Or you have to actually download this one. It's not downloaded, but the long exposure feature, long exposure pictures are can be used when it's actually dark and you want to take pictures of stars, for example, at night. You can use this mode to do this, and it's nice. Here we have also the night mode actually, and I suppose that it does the same actually. It's used to take pictures at night and it kind of enlightens your pictures using the exposure. What do we have next? Let's go into the regular camera mode. Let's go press this more options right here. And here we have dynamic shots, which basically makes live pictures. That is a nice feature actually. Right here we have also watermark, and you can adjust this watermark as you select regular. You can right here add timestamp on photos and device watermark, but you can also you have to have enabled this device watermark actually to make a custom watermark, and you can input here your custom text. So that is a nice feature actually. But let's turn off this watermark for now. What do we have here next? We have the AI camera, which basically, as you take pictures, it kind of, as it is possible, it makes your pictures a little bit better. It adjusts, makes the quality better, and so, and yeah, basically that's it. Also, we have the ultra wide lens right here, as you can see. And let's go into the settings actually itself. Let me show you that right here we can change the picture quality from high to low, for example, if you'd like to. We can change the volume button functions, and we can set it to work as shutter, to work as zoom and timer, for example. Me personally, I would like to use it as zoom, for example, but basically you can actually adjust your volume button functions, so that is nice. Do we have some more options right here? Actually no, so let's move on. We can scan documents, as you can see. With the camera itself, we don't have to actually download any third-party applications, and let me right now quickly show you how it would work. Let me scan the back of this box right here, and let's see how it works. As you can see, the scanning, the document gets kind of outlined as you properly put it right here, and you simply take a photo, take a picture, and it takes the picture only of this outlined thing that you had outlined on your camera on the peer review. So as you can see, you can scan the documents using this camera, using your phone, your camera. So that is very nice feature. And let's move on to the last things I want to show you, which will be actually in the Pro mode right here. And here are the lot of different features, actually the best features which we have right here. And as we have in this camera Pro mode, we can change the image format from JPG to RAW, for example, as you can see, so that is nice. Right here we can also adjust to take Ultra HD 50 megapixels pictures. And what we have, we also have this watermark. As you can see, we have different options to adjust, and we can change the parameters of saturation, contrast and sharpness. For example, we have filters, we can adjust filters to our pictures. So basically that this phone gives you a lot of different options to take pictures and also record videos. As you can see, here we have in this camera Pro mode, we have this audio, the microphone recording status. As you can see, as I talk, this value goes up. We also have, you can change the quality of our pictures to 4K, and we also have this frame rate from 30 to 60, but unfortunately, as we have 4K, we cannot set this frame rate to more than 30, as you can see. And we also have some different options available right here. The resolution, the frame rate, yeah, the log. I don't really know what it is, but actually I think that would be all about the very nice features, best features of the camera application on your Xiaomi Poco X7. Yeah, so basically that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.